In today's video, I'll show you how to open a Zoho Sheet in Excel. If you need to work in Excel or share your file with someone using it, here's a quick way to do it. First, open your spreadsheet in Zoho Sheet and make sure all data is correct and up to date. Then go to the File menu at the top and select Download As. For Excel, choose either Excel Workbook with .xmh extension for modern versions or Excel 97-2003 Workbook with .xl extension for older versions. Your file will download to your browser's download folder. Next, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to open in Excel. If it doesn't open automatically, open Excel first, then go to File, select Open, browse to your downloaded file and open it. And that's it. Your Zoho Sheet is now ready in Excel, fully editable and ready to share. Downloading in these formats ensures smooth compatibility across platforms. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.